Hey, JVix here, Jay the AI guy, and I just wanted to. I posted some pictures that I had ChatGPT create, like cartoon character images of me in the style of Disney or Pixar, and I just want to show you guys how easy it is to actually do this. There is a little bit of tweaking. You have to give it good information in, right? So basically, like anything else with AI, uh, good in, good out, great out, crap in, crap out, right? Whatever you feed into the machine is you're gonna get that equal quality back. And so I just wanted to all I started the conversation with was, first of all, it has a persona. There's a GPT persona of me, so it knows about me. Um, but I don't think it was very important that I had fed it that information first. All I said was I would like to create a cartoon character of myself that will remain consistent with a character reference. If I upload several images of myself, can you do this? So what they wanted is the type of style in mind, and it definitely needs a bunch of clear pictures showing different angles of my face. Now, luckily for me, I'm in marketing and web, and I speak places, so I have tons of images, right? Tons and tons of images. So I gave it several images of me. It looks like I gave it about 10, right? 10 images of me. And I told it, I would like a Disney Pixar style character, uploading several reference images. Please also create instructions for me to use as a character reference for future consistency. So let me show you how it started out. Well, this one is good, and it almost ends up similar to how the final one came out, although I didn't like how dark the hair was. If you can see me in this video right now, it's a bit lighter and more blonde. This was a bit brown, although there is some grayish tones, and I've got some grays, right? And that's okay. But it wasn't perfect. But I did want to say create 4 more. I just wanted to see where we could go from here. And I asked it to a few things. A hang loose sign, kind of one of these, right? Another one where I'm playing a Kala brand ukulele. I do like to play the ukulele. And then one where I'm wearing a Weston punk rock t-shirt I want it to be black t-shirt with yellow letters. And I think I also told it I needed it to be a Courier font, but that might be later. And one more where I'm holding a microphone like a famous presenter. Please keep consistency among all the scenes. Very important. Please keep consistency. Like 2 months ago, ChatGPT wasn't really able to keep the consistency, in my opinion. It was very different. So this was kind of the first frame of reference, and this was the second one. I didn't like this one. I thought the lip looked too dark, almost like I hadn't shaved. I mean, I do have the chin. I do have the chin hair here. I don't normally wear glasses. Normally you're going to see me like this. But one of the things I noticed was that there's only 4 fingers here, and that's been a flaw of AI for a long time. But I was like, cartoon character, it's fine, but it looks weird when I'm making that hang loose sign. Missing a finger in that one, and I look older and fatter. I also felt like I was a little bit heavier than... That's probably accurate. That's actually really probably accurate to how I am right now, but I didn't like it. But here's my ukulele, and here you could see that there's like a mustache, a defined mustache line, and the fingers weren't very good. So I want to make my hair more of a dirty blonde with a few gray hairs, and can I have 5 fingers on each hand? Got the fingers. The hair was more of a yellowish blonde, which is okay. Still looks like there's a bit of a mustache or a shadow here that I didn't love. I said perfect because I thought this was the best it was going to do. Not quite. Can the next one have me wearing a black t-shirt with the name Weston printed on it in a Courier font? Weston is my favorite band of all time. Lucky enough to sometimes know the guys from your favorite band and have become friends with them. They're not still together, but this is pretty close. The actual Weston font had more of a faded kind of grunge look to the letters, but that's the Courier font. So we're getting there. This is almost perfect. Make my hair a bit more spiky on top. Look, it's a little bit more spiky on top. And messy, spiky look. And I only have the chin beard, not a full goatee. Nailed it. So you just have to work with it, right? This was perfect. I love this one. But also, I said, and this is very important, Remember this style and keep it for all future renderings of JVix in this style. Got it. I'll lock in this version of JVix as your official Pixar style character reference, complete with messy blah 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 blah. All future renderings will follow this look for consistency. Ready to generate. Final. So I got my microphone. Now, I went off the other night. I just went off. I want another one where I'm pointing saying, you can do it, right? I want another one where I'm holding a coffee mug. I want another one where I'm being like, but wait, there's more, right? I wanted it excited, happy, excited. But look, it's getting the style. Then I wanted to say, well, let's see if we can get my company, my software logo, Journey Builder, the software that we sell. Let's see if we can get the logo. And check this out. It didn't get the gears, but it got the bold Journey and the thinner font of Builder. It got it perfect right here. Give it a thumbs up. Then I said, give another one where I'm like holding something like a book or money or, hey, give me 5, right? And just look at how like consistent these each are. Then I was like, I need the heart sign, right, with 2 hands. Then another one with the ukulele, it went back to the finger. This one seems like 5 fingers. This one, I mean, unless that pinky is really tucked underneath. I said I need 5 fingers on each hand. Boom. Playing the ukulele. This looks kind of like my kala. And here it is. And so that's it, guys. That's it. Make sure you have a lot of pictures to upload and be as specific as you can. And once you lock it in, let ChatGPT know, lock it in. All right. So it's really easy to create your own consistent characters for your avatars, for your marketing, for your brand, and for your YouTube covers, Facebook channel covers, video thumbnails, and everything. All right. Take care, everybody. Talk soon.